Hey everyone, Laura here with Rags to Rugs, and I'm so excited to share our first ever twine weaving frame kits. We have worked really hard on this, so for you twine weavers, for you wannabe twine weavers, for you do-it-yourselfers, we think you're going to love our kits. Now our kits come in 3 different sizes: the placemat size, the table runner size, and the deluxe rug size. The kit will include the instructions to build your own, including all the wood and the specifications of those, as well as the hardware to complete your rug frame. Speaking of hardware, it includes all 4 different pieces: the nails, the screw eyes, the ceiling hooks, and the screws to hold your frames together. It will also include our wonderful cheat sheet, a very popular cheat sheet, which is invaluable to you because this helps you determine in advance of your project just how much fabric you're going to need to make any of these 3 sizes for your warp and for your weft. So very important, and it's included as well. We also include the rods. Now these rods is the one part that trips up a lot of people that are trying to build your own frames, because these are sometimes hard to find. Your steel rods are very important to your frame because it's going to secure the sides of your rug. Included in your kit will be either the 20-inch for your placemat or the extra long 39-inch rods for your table runner and your deluxe frames. Included also are the bands. These bands are pretty simple. They're very important to secure your fabric to the nails while you're working your rug, but sometimes they're kind of hard to find, so we're including those as well. So you'll have the instructions, you'll have the rods, the cheat sheet, the hardware. The only thing that you're going to need to gather up is probably the simplest part, and that is the wood. On your instructions, it will share with you exactly the size of pieces, so you can go to the hardware store and have them cut those pieces to size. Or if you're a do-it-yourselfer, you may want to repurpose a frame. A picture frame works great too. So everything is included in our kits. We think you're going to love them. You can let us know in the comments. Now you can order any of these different components a la carte if you just want the instructions or you just want the rods. You can order them individually. Or if you want to go for broke and buy the kits to make all 3 of these, we're happy to share with you too. So individual kits, individual components, or all 3 of them will be available to you. And you can click on any link at the bottom of this video, and I promise you free shipping and same-day ship on all your orders, as always. So anyway, we hope you love the kits. Spread the word about our channel, and subscribe while you're there. Push that little button to be notified of future videos. And in the meantime, as always, make it a great day.